Alright guys, our other video, the camera, our phone went dead. So this is going to be part 2 of the video. So make sure you guys always check this one out.
Okay, you guys, we're just going to add our...
But look, hear it though. It's like so cool. And we're just getting it up with all the glue around the floor. And it's like still slime, still making a little crunchy noise. Like, so you guys, we don't even have to clean up after this video. This is just mostly cleaning it all up. Alright, so Z, just get the beads, the giant jumbo beads. They're not really that jumbo. They're just coming out of a bean bag here. And we don't care what size they are.
Don't matter what you look like. Don't matter what you wear. Or how many rings you got on your finger. We don't care. No, we don't care. If you know where I got that song from, comment down below.
Yes! Oh my god! It's actually
this is like so good.
Crunching. This is, I think, our...
Hey, let's do some
our 28th crunchy slime we made since we were little. We used to always make slime. It was like so much fun. That's why we make it now.
We used to have a YouTube channel when we were little, but I don't remember the name.
Me neither. I just remember us making
Hold on, here.
And it's like super duper crunchy.
And it's really stretchy, so I'm just gonna add some.
And if I don't care what all like haters and junk say, because y'all say whatever y'all want to say, y'all just a stupid mess.
This slime is a pretty color.
It's like turquoise.
Yes.
Turquoise?
It's a turquoise
stretchy.
With
a little stretchy.
It got glitter in it.
Part 2 is going to be longer than this. Because probably after this, we're going to do our... I don't know.
And we got to edit the video. And I'm just going to be...
And we could try to make some slime with this. $1 glitter glue. Alright. I want you guys to be able to see.
I'm going to just be working on these.
Our phone went dead in the last video, so when we were trying to...
If you already heard him say that, just skip to this part. But if you didn't hear him say that,
Alright, it kind of works a little bit. It just needs some white glue.
It's still a lot in there, but you need water.
Oh, it's already coming though. And it's already starting to activate. This is just crazy.
How is this crazy? I didn't put no activator.
Go to my Musical.ly at exclusive. When you put exclusive, put a C on the end, then space 101 or together 101. And then my Instagram is exclusive CJ. And that's pretty much. Who deleted my like? My like app.
Yeah, I don't know. This phone be acting stupid.
So, guys, you can't follow me on there because I got to get it back. Once I get it back, you can start following me.
But you already got it back. Oh, you heard that crunch?
Dang, show them how big the slime got only for like 2.5 bottles of glue. Show them how big it got. Like, that's a lot.
Look how hilarious crunch.
Ooh. Slime is like our daily routine. We don't go without no one day without making slime.
We make slime every single day.
Not every single day.
Yeah, because mostly every single freaking day.
My dad watches our YouTube channel, so he already know what we be doing. Not our real dad, not our stepdad, Kendrick. I'm gonna pause this real quick so I could show you what is gonna happen to this slime I'm making right here.
So you guys,
we had to mix some of that crunchy slime and this
turquoise crunchy slime is like so freaking good.
I need some more crunchy slime.
I don't think this is getting any better. Oh,
This
okay.
the slime I had at first, this is what it turned into. You can't even see the slime.
This slime right, this little bit, turning good.
I know, it just needs some more turquoise slime. Look, guys.
You guys, look at this. Here go my glitter glue crunchy slime. I don't like it. It's very disgusting. If you think this is good slime, you guys,
Write in the comments. And write in the comments.
what was your favorite slime? The white glue slime, which is the crunchy slime, or the glitter glue that just breaks into pieces? Comment down below. Why would you do this?
Because this slime is just horrible.
Now don't you add.
I'm about to make this one horrible. This is the worst crunchy slime ever.
In one of our videos, we will be mixing our slime, but we're going to keep these slimes for a while.
Yeah, for a little minute.
Not for no little minute, for a long minute.
Like, probably in 3 days. Probably.
We're probably going to mix it on
Like, because
Thanksgiving.
today is Wednesday.
Yeah, tomorrow Thursday. I got 2 tests to do. One in my Switch class, one is in my first class.
I'm going to give a shout out to my friend Solomon Robinson. And I'm going
to give a shout out to all my subscribers that subscribe to my channel.
we barely.
Arcavion Hawkins. Keon Johnson. Call him KJ though. And whoever else subscribed that I know that subscribe, or you guys know that subscribe to my channel, give them a big shout out for me.
And I'm going to put her channel in the description box below. And
so go check that out. It should be like a little something, like a little circle thing that's on the screen. When you hit that and it'll show you
her channel.
Yeah.
Like I did a cut off hair prank while she was asleep. I got some of her weave. Well, she doesn't wear weave all the time, but
sometimes I wear my real hair.
So I did a cut off hair prank. She got really mad, but I didn't get in trouble because I asked my mom could I do it, and she was like, okay. Because 3 days later, she was going to get her hair done, so she had her hair flat down for 3 days. Then she got it done.
I had some crochets, you guys.
Yeah.
It was really pretty, though.
And then she got her hair done again. So it all turned out good.
So you guys need to really check out that.
This ain't even slime. I don't know what am I doing with this.
What are you doing?
Look, guys, do you think this is slime? Comment down below.
Here, put all of it together.
I'm gonna try to do a swirl.
At least it turned out a swirl, a dookie. But my slime could turn out a swirl, a crunchy swirl.
Yeah, I'm finna go get the other slime I made. It was a jiggly slime, trying to mix this with it, and it did not turn out well. It did not turn out well.
So I'm gonna get it.
Yeah,
for
go
you.
get it. Yeah, it's in the room in the Walmart bag. Guys, if you want some,
Isn't it a good slime?
I think so. You said let it sit for a couple days. This just needs some more.
Where you put the Walmart bag? Oh, never mind. Move everything out the way. Cause you guys, here comes this slime. Move.
I need some more activator.
Watch out for your foot. It's like a snow cone. So you guys, here's his blue crunchy / jiggly slime.
I made some jiggly slime and thought it was gonna work, but I'm not sure.
I'm really scared to take it out of the bag.
I think you just need more foam beads. Cause like it's jiggly slime. This slime is gonna be good. You just need more activator.
I'm only getting a little bit out for you guys. It's actually pretty good. A little bit stretchy. It's very sticky.
What?
Nolan.
No!
No!
No! Slime just got all over my hands. I'm just kidding, guys.
Yes, it really did. Not all over, but
It's okay.
right
It'll
here.
come off.
Oh my!
We know how to get slime off of clothes. It's easy.
This, you guys. I'm gonna just see if
All you have to do is get
let's
like,
mix these
one
two
of
slimes
those hard,
together.
scrungy like type things. I'll show you guys. That's gonna probably
Let's
be our
mix
next
it.
Video. Removing slime off our pants, or it could be in this video.
Let's do this. Move.
No, Z, this was good slime.
No, it wasn't. It's oh my gosh.
Foam beads are just flowing everywhere. Thank God you saw save some. Well, I would
It's very a poop color. It's a very poop color. I don't know if that makes sense, but I'm just gonna use it.
Oh, this is slime now, Z.
Oh my goodness. You just gotta keep kneading, mixing.
No, it's funny.
What the world?
Funny.
What type of snow is that?
I think we just gotta keep mixing it and adding more activating. We might do a balloon thing. Like that little trend that's been going on doing slime.
Okay, but we probably gonna go back to the store because I still got $1. If you get 2 bottles of glue, you could get two. If you get 2 bottles of glue, that's $1 plus tax. Look at my hands; they're getting wrinkly.
Yeah, we'll do that next slime video tomorrow.
For real?
Cause we already got to do the getting slime off clothes thing after this.
So I'm in love with this green turquoise one.
This just needs a lot of activating.
Oh my god!
I'm just gonna dip this. This is our activator, guys.
It's green.
This is what activates our slime.
This is how this baby came to life.
With that activator. If you want to learn, guys, if you
If you want to make that activator, it was all my idea.
And guys, since our phone died, comment down for the other video and this video.
And tell us what you like about them.
Like, tell us if you want us to do
more slime, because we're going to be doing getting slime off clothes.
And since this, as I told you that the phone died,
we will probably be giving a giveaway to slime.